Hello everybody and welcome back to the tutorial. Today we're just going to do some basic string concatenation. So I'm going to create a little subroutine here called string concat. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of basic string concatenation. So this here is say, and that's going to print out, and we're going to put, whoops, let's get that right, we're going to put hello, and then we're going to put this little operator here to join it. It's going to be how are you? Like that. So we're just going to do that, and we're going to save it. Go down to the terminal here. I'm going to open up the terminal. I'm going to run the program, which is going to be Raku, and name of the program is new.raku. Hit enter. We get nothing because I've not called it, have I? So it's called string concat. So we have to call the program first, so let's save it again. Let's do that. Raku new.raku. Hit enter, and there you go. We've joined those strings together there. Right, we're going to have a look at another example here. I'm just going to leave that there. I'm just going to knock that out. String concat. And what am I going to do? I'm going to create a scalar variable called, I'll call it name here. Name. Assign it to Dave. Okay. I'm going to create another scalar variable, surname. I'm going to assign that to, say, Jones. Mr. Dave Jones. Right, I'm going to print it out to the user, which is going to be name, and we can concatenate it by using this little operator here, and surname. So we'll just join the two strings doing that. Let's just save it. Let's run the program. Raku new.raku. Raku, that's more like it. Hit enter, and there we go. We've joined the two strings together. Okay, let's do another example here. Let's do again my scalar name. Let's have a look. I'm going to assign it again to Mr. Dave. It's going to be Mr. Dave, and my scalar surname. Assign that to scalar name. Sorry, I'm not going to assign that to Dave, and I'm going to do Smith here, Dave Smith. Okay, I'm going to create another scalar variable called full name. Assign that to scalar name and connect it using this little character here, and then scalar surname. Okay, I'm going to print out by saying full name. Okay, let's just save that. Okay, Okay, so that's going to be Raku, new dot Raku. Hit enter. There we go. Dave Smith. Right. Okay, I'm going to do the last example here. So I'm just going to knock that out there. And knock that out there. And take those two away. Okay, my name, I'm going to assign it to prompt because we're going to get the user to type in the name. So that's going to be first name. And assign that to prompt again. So the user will type in surname. Okay. Now I'm going to create another variable called joined names. And that's going to be scalar name. And we're going to concatenate it here with the surname. Right, we want to print that out. Say hello, joined names. Save that. Okay, and this is Raku, new Raku, just to run the program, hit enter. Okay, first name Dave Jones. There we go. Hello, Dave Jones. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.